Hello everyone, this is Shawn from 3 Guys in Vancouver, and today we will be talking about a topic that is very important, which might... It's June already? Time for a main market update, change of plans! The month of May has been a very exciting month for the market. The sales numbers have reached over 2,000 for the first time this year. But it is the lowest May since year 2000. Thanks NDP. Alright guys, let's take a look at the stats from the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver. 2,638 sales were made in the month of May, which is 44% increase from April, but a 6.9% decrease from last May. Here are the breakdowns of each categories of homes in Greater Vancouver for the sold to active listing ratios. The overall ratio is 18%. For detached homes, it is 14.2%. For townhomes, it is 20%, and apartments at 21%. Here you can see the Greater Vancouver benchmark price changes over the past year. Feel free to pause the video to look at the stats of your own city or the city you're interested in moving into. Take a look at the breakdown. Here is detached, townhouse, and apartments. Which city are you in? Leave a comment below. Okay, let's have an in-depth look at the city of Richmond as an example. The benchmark price is 8.5% lower compared to 1 year ago, but still 8.8% higher than 2016. Everyone knows that 2016 was the peak of the market here. So why does the data say otherwise? Let's have a look at the property types. For detached homes, it is 11.7% lower than 2016. But the overall benchmark price is higher. Do you see where this is going? That means townhomes and apartments must have went up a lot. In fact, apartments are 44.6% higher than 2016, which makes the affordable entry-level homes very unaffordable. You will see a similar trend for the other cities as well. Sellers, I'm looking at you. If you're looking to sell your home in the next couple of years, now is the best time to do so. There is activity on the market while the price is still slowly going down, which means if you don't sell now, you might miss the opportunity and become more difficult later on and sell for a lower price. On the other hand, my buyer friends, if you're planning to buy a home soon, even though the prices are going down, now there's more competition. If the activity keeps rising and you wait too long, you might end up competing with others for the property you like again. Give us a call and then we'll investigate what is the best option for you. Lastly, NDP has made many attempts to change the housing market, but is it working? The prices for the more expensive homes are definitely going down, but those who couldn't afford it back then, can they afford it now? What do you think? Are you able to purchase a home you like now? Should the government keep adding more taxes on people? Or should they change up their strategies? And how is NDP affecting our economy? Last time NDP went on, they increased the foreign buyer tax by 5% more. The detached home prices went down, but the apartment prices went way up. What does that mean? That means entry-level homes are becoming unaffordable for those who need it, which is the opposite of the NDP's campaign. Let me know your opinions, share in the comments below. If you enjoyed our video, please give us a like and subscribe. Please share this market update with your friends who are thinking of buying or selling their homes in the next while. I am Shawn from 3 Guys in Vancouver. Let me help you maximize your future, the money in your pocket, and achieve your real estate dreams.